Hello everyone, I Vatsal welcome you all to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to stop background intelligent transfer service permanently in Windows 10. So if you try to stop the bit service by going to the services.msc and still if it is getting restarted automatically in the background and consuming your internet data, then the way to stop it permanently is using a batch file. So what this batch file will do, it will disable the bit service whenever it starts in the background. Now in order to run this batch file automatically, we will create a task in task scheduler which will automatically execute this batch file whenever the bit service starts in the background. Now let's start the process by creating the batch file. Now in order to create it, what you have to do is just go to the search bar and type notepad. Click on the search result notepad, and now you have to copy some commands and paste in the notepad. I will give these commands in the video description, you can copy it from there. After pasting these commands, just go to the file, click on save as, and now just change the save as type as all files, and now give the file a name. So we will call it disable underscore bits dot bat. Now dot bat stands for batch file. After this, just click on the save button and close this window. So you can see that we have successfully created the batch file. Now we will create the task in task scheduler. So just go to the search bar and type task scheduler. So yeah, it is already showing. So just right click over it and just click on this option, run as administrator. Now what you have to do is just go to the right hand side and just click on this option, create task. Now we will give it a name, disable bits service. Now after this, what you have to do is just check mark this option, run with highest privileges. After this, just go to the triggers tab, and now we will create some triggers. So just click on the new button, and in this begin the task, just change it to on an event. And now for the log, just select this option. Yeah, this one, Microsoft Windows Bits Client Analytic. Just select this option. And for the source, just select Bits Client. Now make sure that this box is checked, enabled, and after this just click on the OK button. Now we will create another trigger. So just click on the new button. Now for begin the task, we will choose on an event again, and for log we will change it to this option, Microsoft Windows Bits Client Operational. So earlier we had selected this one, analytic one, and now we will select this operational one. And the source we'll select it to Bits Client, and make sure that this is checked, enabled, and click on the OK button. After creating these two triggers, just go to the actions tab and then just click on new button, and this action should be start a program, and just click on browse button, and now just select this batch file. After this, just click on the OK button. Now just go to the conditions tab, and under power just uncheck this option, start the task only if computer is on AC power. Just uncheck it. Then go to settings and also uncheck this option, stop the task if it runs longer than 3 days. So just uncheck it. After this, just click on the OK button and you are done. Just click on this task scheduler library in the left hand side, and now in the right hand side you can see that we have successfully created the task to execute the batch file automatically. So now you are done. So just close this window, and now if we go to the services, and just select this bit service, go to its properties, and if we try to start it, so you can see a message that it is stopped. So if you click on OK, you can see that it is disabled automatically by the batch file. So now if the bit service try to start in the background, then it will automatically get stopped by the batch file. So this is how you can stop the background intelligent transfer service permanently in Windows 10. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.